for this. Ooh. Thank you, Chloe. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. That means a lot. Thank you. If we feel this help, Mom. So he took the garbage. Yeah.
We'll talk to you all tomorrow.
Thank you, Seth. I don't see if there's any more. Oh, thank you, Miss Robin, and thank you, Seth, and I appreciate it. And we'll get what we talked about. We'll get together on that and get it planned out.
You should be able. Well, Shane Allen, you should be able to go to the TBI website and download the poster for him.
Mm-hmm. And the color.